Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of egg burger. This recipe is dedicated to bachelors, spinsters or anyone who is staying in PG. I have taken burger here, you can replace it with bread. Both taste equally good friends. I'm going to prepare 3 types of egg burgers. Actually, kids will really enjoy this egg burger. Take a burger bun and slice it into 2 pieces like this. I have stayed in PG and would always prefer simple recipes. If you are using bread means take 2 slices of bread. Both bread and burger bun equally taste good. I have sliced 3 burger buns and let's prepare the egg burger. Heat little butter in a small pan like this. Toast the inner side of the burger bun slightly. If you are using bread means toast one side of the bread. It should turn to light brown color. Now toast the other half of the bun. So basically I am toasting the white part of the burger. Few of my friends who are staying in PG did ask me for a simple recipe, so this is for them. One side of the burger buns are toasted perfectly using butter. First I am going to prepare ketchup mayonnaise egg burger. Take top portion of the burger bun and add in some ketchup and mayonnaise. There is no specific measurement to add these ingredients, so you can add as per your wish. Mix it and spread it gently like this. Next combination is pizza sauce and mayonnaise. This pizza sauce is multi-purpose. You can use for pizzas as well as pastas. Add in some pizza sauce on the top portion of the burger bun. Spread it evenly. To the other half of the burger bun, I am adding mayonnaise. If you are staying in PG, it's better to buy mayonnaise as well as ketchup. When you don't feel like cooking meats, you can just sandwich it in bread and have it as such. Now comes the third egg burger. This is the combination of cheese spread, ketchup and mustard sauce. To the bottom portion of the burger bun, apply the cheese spread. Cheese spread really tastes good. I have shared 3 combinations of egg burger. You can just play around with these flavors as per your wish. The top portion of the burger, add in ketchup and mustard sauce. Well, mustard sauce is optional, but this gives really good taste. I am using honey mustard sauce here. Mix both the sauces and spread it gently. Here you go, the 3 combinations of burger buns are ready now. Heat butter in a skillet pan. I have added nearly half a teaspoon of butter. Once the butter melts, add in the egg straightly into the pan. Immediately sprinkle some salt. We should be fast in cooking this egg burger. Sprinkle some chili flakes as needed. Add in pepper powder. Well, chili flakes is just optional. Mix it slightly like this. Add in some onion rings as needed. Immediately place in the top portion of the burger bun. We have to make it fast so that the eggs stick to the burger bun. Apply little butter on the bun. Once the egg is cooked, flip the burger. Now place in the other half of the bun. Apply butter and flip it and cook well. We have already toasted the inner portion of the burger with butter. Now I am doing it on the outer side. You can see the eggs have stuck to the burger. That's why we have to make it fast. Delicious egg burger is ready now. Same way I am making the other burgers. This egg burger is so filling and you can have it with a glass of fresh juice. If you are making in bigger pan means, just fold the sides of the omelette before placing the burger buns. All the 3 combinations of egg burger are equally tasty friends. Easy, delicious egg burger is ready to be served now. I prepared egg sandwich using bread as well. First I toasted the bread on one side and applied all the sauces like I did for egg burger. Heat some butter, add an egg, then goes chili flakes, pepper powder and some salt. Give it a mix, add some onion rings and place the bread on top of it. Apply some butter and flip the bread sandwich. Isn't it so easy to make, and this is so filling, friends. If you tried this egg burger or egg sandwich, do not forget to share me the picture. You can share me through my Instagram or Facebook account. Delicious, easy egg sandwich is ready now. I prepared this fresh passion fruit juice to accompany this egg burger. I'll share this recipe too. Do try this delicious egg burger and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.